The Tivadina Lola on the Karala. A circus artist is climbing from the ground along a rope stretched from the top of a vertical pole. And circus talking to a digi in a tapakan diores and tapati pole geores and digit vertical pole geores and digit enema Saliama Tapatensha Digalia and circus artists diores. The height of the pole is 12 meter. Any pole digi ring say the 12 meter is, and the angle made by the rope with the ground level is a 30 degree. Any tapatita, any sadi, any angle kajusuelana 30 degrees is. And calculate the distance covered by the artist in climbing to the chena. Then the circus top can't the any ya igitsebuto tsaya 니 타링 또 가지로도 띵어도 제야래 제가 당분간도 리모트 튀긴다 오케이 따딩어 저기 볼레 볼디기 하이티 12 meters and the tapare tapatikanlia any circus ki michik ni ya trotiore and tapatiki ground nyamdo any angle kachu suruna 30 degrees is chena the circus tapkin the dine je ditsebudo leale kyuntum kazu those distance kazu cover cheshas tatila de nganzu karche olana tapatiki ringdu dine debu tapatiki ringdu di chena ane nganzu tata de gore chena ane tangu de nganzu the remote triangle right triangle chena to join chene. So ABC being the right triangle re ta di na lo la nga karitse urana AC che gore and AC the kare nga H re and D side the la min kare O the opposite to the angle. Okay, now opposite the H you go ki trigonometry ratio the min kare. So in triangle ABC opposite upon H is equals to sine. Here the angle is 30 degree. So sine 30 degree value is 1 upon 2 equals to opposite is AC. No, sorry. So opposite is 12 and H is that is AC. So cross multiply Chabina. So AC value is 24 meters. Therefore, distance covered by an artist is 24 meters.